bottles. Every revolution produces 40 bottles. As the preforms enter the mold, you can't see inside, but here's what happens. The heated preform is loaded. Then a metal rod drops down and stretches it. Low-pressure air expands the preform. Then a high-pressure burst of air inflates the preform until it hits the edge of the mold. The edge of that mold is icy cold because of the chilled water being piped into it. It's that cold metal that sets the bottle's shape.
Once that bottle hits the outer edge of this mold, it's completely sealed.
Neck and analyzed by a computer. Bottles that don't measure up are recycled. The ones that make it take flight. The Coca-Cola going in is ice cold.
This filler runs anywhere between 36, 38 degrees, and that keeps...
Bottles are That next machine is the body maker, which decrease in size. The body maker needs a lot of lubricant to force the cup through its dies. That's why the oil. One part of the bath includes sulfuric acid. Once the baths are complete, the cans are what the industry calls clean and bright. Printing press for cans. The primary color coursing through this press, red.
It looks at every can, it'll look to make sure that the color is right, it'll look to make sure that it doesn't have any defects in it, and it can be looking at as many as 2,200 parts per minute. But that really helps us to ensure quality in a way that probably the human eye
sent for recycling. The whole filling stays filled with lids. The lid gets crimped onto the can. Cans that aren't topped off get rejected and recycled. Right now, the cans are Coke's ideal drink.
At 92 degrees so that it reaches the proper temperature.
Cans spend 12 minutes in a warming bath, losing their icy cold chill. Need to be transformed into new bottles. Glass bottles are completely and endlessly recyclable. The bottles come both...
The external recycling pellets, we are preparing to...
Then, they're pushed into the furnace.
One of the key challenges is actually...
The furnace is natural gas powered. It burns at almost 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. A heat-resistant camera provides. The furnace pumps its molten glass. Workers have to make an adjustment with molten glass cascading down around them. As the molten glass drops down from the furnace, it's cut into shapes known as gobs. Once a preform emerges, it's transferred to the second mold. A high-pressure air nozzle clamps down and blows the glass into the mold. one way to do it: heat the conveyor. The bottles are 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit as they're conveyed toward a critical piece of machinery.